Hi all, welcome to another video of Algo Stock Market Insights. So today we are going to discuss about the stock price prediction of Asian Paints using some machine learning algorithm for November and December 2021. So this is our disclaimer. So these are the contents we are going to discuss today. First we will check the fundamentals of Asian Paint. Then we will see what our machine learning algorithm predicting for Asian Paint for next few weeks or few months. Then we will do the technical analysis of the same using some charts, indicators, AE and FE and DA data. Then this is the introduction. So I think there is no introduction is required for Asian Paint, which is a very large cap company and which is very popular among our paint sector. And compared to other stocks listed in paint sector, we can see like its market cap is much higher than the market cap of all other paints companies listed. So it is a very large cap company with a market cap more than 3 lakh crore, and its current price is around 3250, and its high was around 3500, and its stock PE is around 96, which is little bit high, but as compared to PE its peers like Berger Paints and all, it's almost the same. And for if we check PE of Indigo Paints and all, this is just a half of that one. And Asian Paint used to give a very good dividend over the years, and its return over capital and return on equity and all is very good, and it's very good for past few quarters and few years. So this is the sales. So we can see like other than the COVID-19 time, its sales has been improved very good over the years and over the quarters, and the profit also is good, and profit before tax, after tax, earning per share, everything is good and keep on improving over the years. So this is the profit and loss per year. So we can see like over the years it's giving a very good steady growth in sales, and profit as well is keep on improving, and profit before tax and after tax and earnings per share also keep on improving over the years. And Asian Paint used to give a very good dividend over the years, and it's almost a debt free company. So here from these data we can observe like Asian Paint is a very good company for short term and long term investments. So this is the data we have taken into the algorithm. We have taken data from 2015 Jan 1st onwards till 2021 November 22nd. So this is the chart. So we can see Asian Paint is in a very good uptrend for past 5 to 7 years, and there was a correction was there from 3500 to 3100, and after that is stock is in a reversal. So this is what our algorithm is predicted. So this what is there in blue is like what data we have given as input, and what is there green is like what algorithm predicted till date, and what is there in orange is what is actual Asian Paint data. So we can see like other than a few scenarios, it's almost matching what our algorithm predicted and actual, and this is what our algorithm is predicting for future. Like from here algorithm is predicting like there will be an all-time high might be created till 3800 levels or 3000. So here we can enter and we can book some short term and profit at this point, or we can keep for a long time as well. So here we can see either we can enter at this particular point like current price, or stock might take a correction and it may come to 3200 levels. Either we can enter here, and we can set our first target at this particular point. There might be a resistance around 3600, or we can set a second target as 3800. So this is our data we have taken from Chartlink. This is a daily candlesticks chart. So here we can see like from the 3500 there was a correction, and it almost touched its 200 moving average. So as we explained in our previous videos, 200 moving average used to give like a very good support, and in the past data we can see like whenever 30 moving average is closed 50 moving average, and stock price is closed above 10 moving average, it's in a very good trend. So here we can see like a 10 moving average is closed, and 30 moving average is about to close, And so here either we can enter here, or there might be a correction to this 3200 levels, and there we can enter, and we can set a first target we can set around 3600, and second target we can set around 3300, and there is a resistance around 3300 as well. So for ourselves, traders can enter above 3300. So this is a weekly chart. So weekly chart we can see it's almost moving around the 30 moving average, and here as well we have got a support in a 30 moving average. And here we can observe, like whenever Asian Paint is closed above its two previous weeks high, stock is moving in a very good uptrend. So here also we can see 2 weeks high is already broken last week, and stock is moving ahead. So we can either we can enter here, and or we can enter above 3300, and we can set the first target as 3600 and second target as 3800. So this trend line channel might be act as a resistance, so we can book our partial profit here, because there might be a chance of double top here. And second we can book a partial profit or full profit at 3800. And from the chart we have seen, like Asian Paint is very good for long term. And this is the data we have taken for Nifty for OA data. So OA data for 25th November we can see, like put sell is much lesser and call sell is high. So we are expecting some consolidation or some downtrend in Nifty in next week or this week coming. And for we have taken data for 30th December, like next month end. So next month end we can see, like there is a resistance around 18,000 and 18,500, but compared to that put volume sell is very high. So next month we are expecting some reversal and some good movement in Nifty. And this is data we have taken for 25th November for Asian Paint OI. So we can see, like there is a resistance around 3300, so safe traders can enter above this resistance, and then there is a resistance around 3600 and 3800. And this is FIA and DA data we have taken from Opstra. So we can see, like October there was a huge sell happen, and November FIA and DA started buying, but on November 18th and November 22nd there was a sell was very high, and this was option closing day, and this day, like Reliance and Aramco deal bad news came, and this might be the reason for this very huge sell. And in upcoming weeks or in December we are expecting some better movements in Nifty, and we are expecting some uptrend. And this is the data we have taken for monthly wise chart. So we can see, like after Nifty touched 18,600 there was a huge sell happen, and in November it was like a sell was very high, or there was buy and sell is happened by FA and DIA. So we are expecting, like in December things will be better and FA and DIA start buying. So hope you have enjoyed this video. So please do like, share and subscribe. And if you have any stocks to analyze, please put in comments. We will do it. So thank you. Have a great day. Bye bye. Take care.